It's my immense pleasure at this point to announce certain special student awards that are listed in your program. And I'll ask each of the students one by one to join me up here for just a few minutes while I embarrass them in front of everybody. If Diva Aziz would join me up here, please. Diva. This year, Diva is our recipient for the Alan Brodsky Pro Bono Award. Diva was born in an Islamic community in Afghanistan, and she grew up in communist Russia. Experience that she says to me helped her discover her purpose in life. She wrote to me in her own words, "My experiences of being a refugee and a minority helped me understand and appreciate the importance of giving back to the community. I decided to attend Golden Gate because of its focus on public service and its commitment to provide legal services to poor and disadvantaged individuals and minorities." And that is exactly what Diva has done. During her student tenure, Diva helped build the state's first parole reentry court, providing free legal services and technical assistance to parolees. Diva also worked closely with the San Diego Volunteer Lawyering Program, where she provided legal support and assistance to disadvantaged and low-income individuals. In total, she has performed a whopping 816 hours of pro bono work during her time here at school, and it's for that reason I'm honored to give her this award. Thank you. Next, if I could have Harmony Groves, Sharon Gruby, and Luthien Nyland. Shannon Gruby, excuse me, sorry. You'd think that Shannon and I have talked enough over the course of the last few months. My apologies. Some background. The Rosenthal Bar Exam Scholarship Program recognizes outstanding graduating California law students with financial need who are embarking on careers in public service law. It does this by providing financial support for costs related to taking the California Bar Exam. All winners receive California Barbary Law Review Bar Exam review courses valued at more than $3,500, with top winners also receiving $2,000 in cash to help defray fees and other expenses. This year, I'm very pleased to announce that not one, not two, but 3 of our students were honored with this scholarship. This is by far a record for Golden Gate. Moreover, of all the other schools competing for these scholarships each year, only one school has ever received more in a single year. So, congratulations. Last but not least, Michaela Bellew. Michaela was born in Bucharest, Romania, and after the fall of communism, her family sought asylum in Switzerland. 2 years later, she and her family immigrated to Canada, and in 1998, they moved to the Bay Area. In her statement to me, she wrote, "Throughout my life, people have helped my family when we needed it most, and I would not be here today without those people. From this, I knew that I wanted to go to law school and help those whom others have forgotten." And like the others up here, indeed she has. While in law school, Michaela has interned for the Women's Employment Rights Clinic, the Marin County Public Defender, and the Alameda County Public Defender. I'm going to commit the sin that Drew talked about earlier to not talk about Michaela for just a minute and to talk about something totally unrelated. The Public Defender Corps program is a very prestigious program operated by Equal Justice Works in the Southern Public Defender Training Center. It's been around for a few years. What they do is they spend an enormous amount of money and resources training recent graduates to go to far-flung, under-resourced public defender offices in the Deep South. There's just a few people that they select each year. It's a prestigious program, and the training is given by such luminaries as Stephen Bright and Brian Stevenson and other people in the criminal defense field. Last October, I had the privilege of going to DC, where I sat in a room with 300 other people, all dressed in suits, who were students. And the program is about Public Defender Corps, and the person running the program asked, "How many people in this room are applying for Public Defender Corps?" And nearly every hand in the room went up. This is students from Harvard, this is students from Yale, this is students from Columbia. Every hand in the room went up. This year there will be 14 fellows in the next class of the Public Defender Corps, and there aren't students from any of those schools. There's a student from Golden Gate, and she's right here. Congratulations.